Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the Windows Ink handwriting font used on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the devices tile. And then on the left side, you want to select where it says typing. And then on the left side, you want to select where it says pen and Windows Ink. And then on the right where it says font when using handwriting, click the drop down and you can make whatever selection you want. You can choose from the different fonts installed on the system basically. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.